welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we will talk about adjoint of matrix in inverse of matrix and its related question. Firstly, I will tell about adjoint of a matrix. What is adjoint of a matrix and how to find an adjoint of a matrix. In previous video, I have already discussed about matrix and its types. So go and see and like, share, and subscribe my channel. So adjoint of, let's suppose we have a matrix A having some elements A, B, C, D. It is denoted by ADG of A, adjoint of A, and defined as adjoint of A is equal to. Here we will change signs of these terms. These terms sign change and these terms place change. Change place of these, then this should be CA, and changing sign of these, this should be minus B and minus. This, like this one is D, then this is minus. Changing place of A and D, we will get DA, and changing signs of B, C, we get minus B and minus C. Simply, this is adjoint of A. Now, I will discuss about the inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix. Inverse. What is mean by 2 cross 2? 2 cross 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. As we discussed earlier, 2 rows, 2 columns. So what is inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix? Basically, it is, let's suppose we have its formula. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A. Adjoint of A, we know, do this one is DA, B minus B minus C. This is adjoint of A. And what is the determinant of A? I tell you that A, B, C, D. And the determinant of A should be, we will write determinant sign firstly, then multiply these two terms A, D, taking minus, and multiply these two terms B, C. This is simply the determinant of any 2 cross 2 matrix. Taking sign of determinant, then multiply these two matrices minus multiply these two matrices, then this is the adjoint. Then we find any adjoint matrix, the given matrix, and determinant of the given matrix, and by dividing we will get the inverse of our required matrices. I hope you will understand. We will solving a question about how to finding the inverse of any matrices. We have a question finding A inverse of matrix A. Let's suppose the matrix A is 5, 3, 1, 1. We know that the formula of A inverse is adjoint of matrix A divided by determinant of matrix A. So firstly, we will find determinant of matrix A. Let's write again determinant of matrix A. This should be determinant 5, 3, 1, 1. I have discussed earlier what is the determinant. Multiply these two terms minus multiply these two terms. So 5 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 1. This should be 5 ones are 5 minus 3 ones are 3. This is equal to 2. So this is our determinant. Now we will find adjoint of matrix A. I have already discussed what is the adjoint of matrix A. Changing signs of this matrix, and changing place of these two matrices, we will get our required adjoint. So write it aside. DA minus B minus C. Changing sides, we will get 1 5, and by changing signs of these two, we will get minus 3 and minus 1. Now put in our required equation 1. We have got adjoint of A and determinant of A from this and this term. Now putting adjoint and determinant in equation number 1, we will get the inverse of matrix A. Adjoint is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 1 and 5, and the determinant is 2. So now we will separately dividing these 2 by all terms. We will get 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. Hence proved. It's very simple question and important question how to find the inverse of any matrices. Firstly, this we know about its formula. This is its formula, adjoint of A over determinant of A. What is adjoint of A? Adjoint means changing place of these two terms and changing sign of these two terms. We get this one. And determinant means multiply these two terms minus multiply these two terms. We will get our required answer. Now, for formula, we have to divide these two terms. We divide it and get our required inverse of matrix.